Hey gang, this is Troy. Welcome to Restaurant Rewind. Today I want to do something a little bit different with our videos. Normally, of course, on this channel we've been generally doing kind of educational, sort of like a tutorial video. I want to change it up a little bit, and I've actually, I've got a small collection of restaurant memorabilia. And occasionally I add to it a little bit at a time. I'll order something in. I actually had something and I just wanted to share with you guys. A good friend of mine named Ben sent me something in the mail. And I haven't opened it yet. And I thought, you know what? This would be a great time to just kind of do an unboxing video and show you guys, kind of let you experience this. I'm not even really sure what to expect, so without any further ado, let's dig into this thing. Gotta be careful here. I don't want to cut it, but not exactly sure. I think it was I don't think it was your run-of-the-mill shirt by the way he described this. So I don't know if it was some kind of a short-term holiday thing or what. Got some packing in there. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, there's more than one in here. That looks pretty small. I don't know if that's just something he got a hold of, or that actually looks really small. So I'm guessing that he didn't actually wear this. Let me see if I can, you can give you a good look at this. So it's got all kinds of, so it obviously has the McDonald's logo, and we've got some pictures of different types of food. We've got the Big Mac, we've got a picture of a shake. Now this is interesting. A picture of Ronald with pink hair. That's pretty interesting. Oh, I remember these. Who remembers the fried pies? I know a lot of people, of course, you love apple pie. And this looks like an apple pie. It's got pictures of apples on it. You can see that. There was something about the fried cherry pies that were phenomenal, and I like the taste of the baked pies, but there was something about the fried pies that was just, I guess it actually says Big Mac underneath here. Let me get a shot of this so you can see the logo, you can see the Big Mac, see the pie. Oh, there's the fries. You can't have a shirt without McDonald's fries on it. Very interesting. Well, this is definitely, it looks like it has been worn, so I'm not sure. It says, has some writing on it too, so it says like beef and interesting. Don't forget dessert. It looks like that's coming up backwards on there, on the thing here, the camera. I've got it kind of in reverse mode, but it says, treat yourself to a triple thick shake. 100% beef, Big Mac, famous golden French fries. That's so cool. Well, that's going to make a nice addition. I got to figure out, I don't know what the best way to display this would be. So if you guys have got any ideas, any of you guys that have memorabilia, if you have shirts, I guess I could try to frame it somehow. That would be kind of cool. And since I have two, I could frame one facing the front and do one facing the back. Sounds like a good idea. Let me look at this other one too and see. Oh wait. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is actually, so this is the same shirt, but man, the colors on this one are unreal. I'm going to try to compare the two here. because, yeah, so what's interesting about this is a really small shirt. So it looks like a kid's shirt, honestly. I mean, I don't think you're going to get an adult into this shirt. I'm definitely not going to fit into this shirt. But what's interesting is the pictures are about the same. And the back panel of the shirt, now again, I'm using my iPad to film this, so I apologize. But anyway, the back side of this has actually got, it's the same panel here, but it's a little bit longer since it looks like an adult shirt. So you can see the fries, and then at the bottom here, it's got a fish sandwich. Yep, how about our crisp, tender Filet-O-Fish sandwich? Who remembers those? I don't know if you can really see the difference. I'm going to try to show these to you both at the same time so you can kind of see the difference. But look at the yellow on the M's. It's pretty cool. There's another thing in here too I wasn't expecting, so I'm not sure exactly what it is. It looks like, well, I'm not sure what it is. It might be an apron or something. Oh, wow. Look at this thing. This isn't an apron. This is a banner, looks like. Oh, how cool. iPad here. How about that? Wow, that's really cool. I'm not sure exactly how old this is. Sometimes this stuff's got dates on it and things, but I don't see anything that would show that. But I'm still guessing this is probably from the late 70s. Mid to late 70s is what I'm guessing. Well, I'm glad I could share that with you guys. I think that's definitely pretty cool. So what I'd like to do is share a few more videos like this, and maybe just, a little bit at a time, just kind of go through all the different things in my collection. Actually, I was going to do this. I've got a box that I kind of brought in, and I figured since we were going through McDonald's things, that I would break out something you guys may have seen before, but also maybe you haven't. You guys might remember that before Ronald McDonald, the original mascot for McDonald's was Speedy. Well, I happened to get he's a little bit dusty. I just popped him out of the thing here, and he's kind of hanging on by a thread anyway. But this is a Speedy Doll. And somebody originally, I think this thing snapped off at one point. When I got it, it was like this, but they put a little piece of string and just kind of stuck it on here. But this is supposed to be attached like this, and it says on one side it says "I'm Speedy" with 2 E's. That's how he spelled his name, or they spelled his name. And the other side says "Custom Built Hamburgers." See the little McDonald's logo on the little coat that he's wearing. It's a really neat piece. So if you guys have one or have seen them, just I'd love for you to leave some comments. What I'd like to do is go through some of the memorabilia and give you a little bit of history about the about the places that were of the memorabilia that we're looking at. McDonald's is obviously pretty popular. I think most people know the history in general of McDonald's. I'm just going to speak for Speedy. Actually, I was going to make him wave, but I don't think he's going to be able to wave. His arms are pretty fixed. But I appreciate you guys watching today. If you like this new video format, leave me some comments. If you don't like this new video format, leave me some comments. The old video format that we've been doing, we'll probably still do a few of those. But I wanted to be able to get some more videos out that would showcase really kind of why I got into collecting restaurant memorabilia and researching restaurant history. This is probably a lot easier format to do, to release videos a little more often. So that's another reason why I wanted to go this route. The other route takes quite a bit of time and energy to edit and produce those videos. So I thought this might be a good filler to be able to do those. So I'm not going to go away from the other video style completely. So let me know if you which video style you prefer. If we should keep doing them like this, I'll probably do a few more. But if nobody likes them, then we'll quit doing them too. But I really would like to know what you think. I do read all the comments. I can't always reply to every one of them, but I do read them all, and I appreciate your support and feedback for this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. Do that now. You should be able to find a link right at the bottom of the video. And also like this video if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you next time on Restaurant Rewind.